Hey everyone, my name is Denis Gurvez and I'm a technical specialist of Stancomplect. We're the official representative of the concern KDT Machinery, which produces high-quality equipment for the furniture industry. Nowadays, almost all furniture manufacturers face the problem of edging curves workpieces. The essence of the problem is the difficulty of dealing with PUR adhesives, difficulty of working with adhesives of different colors, as well as a lack of ability to quick change the color and type of adhesive. We present the novelty of 2024 Universal Edge Bender KDT-305M.
On our website, you'll find everything for furniture manufacturing, from machines to tools and spare parts. Fast delivery and professional support ensure a successful start for your business. Contact us via messengers, links in the description.
This is an updated version of the well-known model KDT-305, which has been upgraded and acquired a removable upper adhesive bath. What does it give us? The ability to work with PUR adhesive. This is something that is very important for many companies nowadays. The upgrading allowed us to see the upper adhesive from KDT through feed machines. This is very convenient within a single order. Also, we can change the colors of adhesive. This is very relevant when working with white adhesive. In pair with the vacuum vessel, we can move the baths without machine downtime, because the vacuum vessel has a heating station on which the bath is already standing, which is ready to operate at any time. All other functions remain unchanged, namely 2 models of operation, processing of straight and curved workpieces with automatic edging, either from the pedal or by counter. Large table with height adjustment. Automatic edge feed from the magazine at a speed from 1 to 10 meters per minute. Let's summarize. Market changes dictate their own rules, and more orders with the use of PUR adhesive appear, and also the entry of companies into the international market automatically sets the quality bar to a new level. With the KDT-305M machine in your production, you get a high-quality technological solution that will allow you to solve new tasks quickly and easily. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like our posts. See you online.